Find a comfortable place to sit and relax into this sitting posture. Take a few moments to settle into the position by intentionally releasing any held tension in your face, your neck, your shoulders, your chest, or your abdomen. Bring your attention to the present moment, focusing on each breath as it goes in and out. Now allow the breath to come and go from your heart's center. Imagine breathing directly in and out of your heart. Feel what is present in your heart and mind, and begin to set your intention to let go of the past by letting go of resentments. Repeat the word forgiveness in your mind a few times and acknowledge how it feels to even consider letting go of resentments. When you are ready, bring to mind some of the ways that you have harmed others, some of the ways you have betrayed or abandoned them, and include both the intentional and unintentional acts of harm that you've participated in. Acknowledge and feel the anger, pain, fear, or confusion that motivated your actions. Begin to ask for forgiveness from those you have harmed by repeating the following phrases directed towards them. I ask for your forgiveness. Please forgive me for having caused you harm. I now understand that I was unskillful and that my actions hurt you, and I ask for your forgiveness. Bring attention to your heart, your mind, your body's reactions to these phrases. Feel the feelings that arise or the lack of feeling, and acknowledge the desire to be forgiven. If the mind gets too lost in the story and begins rationalizing or blaming, simply bring your attention back to the breath and to the body in this present moment. Then continue repeating the phrases. I ask for your forgiveness. Please forgive me for having caused you harm. I now understand that I was unskillful and that my actions hurt you, and I ask for your forgiveness. As you repeat these phrases and reflect on your past unskillfulness, remember to soften your belly when it gets tight with judgment or fear. Now relax back into breathing in and out of your heart's center. Take a few moments to let go of the last aspect of the exercise. Shift now to reflect on all the ways in which you have been harmed in this lifetime. In this practice, you are attempting to forgive the actors, not the actions. And just as you have been confused and unskillful at times, those who hurt you were likewise suffering or confused. Bring to mind and invite back into your heart those who have caused you harm. And with as much mercy and compassion as possible, begin offering forgiveness to those who have harmed you, those whom you have been holding resentment towards, with the same phrases. I forgive you. I forgive you for all the ways that you have caused me harm. I now offer you forgiveness, whether the hurt came through your actions, your thoughts, or your words. I know that you are responsible for your actions, and I offer you forgiveness. Feel the feelings that arise or the lack of feeling, and acknowledge your desire to forgive, to let go of resentment. As before, if the mind gets too lost in the story, note what is happening and bring the attention back to the breath and the body and the present moment. Now let go of the phrases and bring your attention back, feeling the breath as it comes and goes, softening the belly and relaxing into the present. Attempt to let go of all levels of this exercise, relaxing back into the experience of your breath at the heart's center. And take a few more moments to let go of the last aspect of the exercise. When you are ready, begin to reflect on yourself. Acknowledge all of the ways that you have harmed yourself. As you contemplate your life and your thoughts, your feelings, and your actions towards yourself, allow this to be a heartfelt experience. Noting the judgmental and critical feelings you carry towards yourself. And just as we have harmed others, there are so many ways that we have hurt ourselves. We have betrayed and abandoned ourselves many times through our thoughts and through our words and deeds. Sometimes intentionally, but often unintentionally. Allow yourself to feel the physical and mental experience of sorrow and grief for yourself and the confusion in your life. Breathing into each moment with each feeling that arises, soften and begin to invite yourself back into your heart, allowing forgiveness to arise. Picture yourself right now or at any time in your life and reflect on all of the ways in which you have judged or criticized or caused emotional or physical harm to yourself. And with as much mercy and compassion as possible, begin to offer yourself forgiveness. It may help to picture yourself as a child, inviting the disowned aspects of yourself back into your heart. Repeat the phrases of forgiveness towards yourself. I forgive me. I forgive me for all of the ways that I have caused me harm. I now offer me forgiveness, whether the hurt came through my actions, my thoughts, or my words. I know that I am responsible for my actions and I offer myself forgiveness. Feel the feelings that arise or the lack of feelings and acknowledge the desire to be forgiven. And again, if the mind gets caught up, lovingly and tenderly bring the attention back to the breath and to the body. in this present moment. And feel free to repeat the phrases of forgiveness to yourself more than once. I forgive me. I forgive me for all of the ways that I have caused me harm. I now offer me forgiveness, whether the hurt came through my actions, my thoughts, or my words. I know that I am responsible for my actions, and I offer myself forgiveness. Send yourself a moment of gratitude for trying to free yourself from the long-held resentments that make life more difficult than it needs to be. And when you are ready, allow your eyes to open and attention to come back into the room or the space that you are in.